Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth speaker with phone. Friends, you want to pair guys your speaker with your phone, so then how can you pair? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, turn on your speaker guys. So guys we will on our speaker, and friends in your speaker guys you can see this Bluetooth icon. So when press on this Bluetooth icon, so as now you can pair your speaker. So first of all we will on phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, how can we on guys Bluetooth setting? So friends, you can see guys your more connection setting guys, tap on more connection setting. You can see guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys, click on your phone Bluetooth setting. Guys, you can enable and disable your phone Bluetooth setting from here. After enable guys, refresh, and friends already guys now you can see your speaker name. So I tap on speaker name to pair, then you can see pairing after 4 and 5 seconds. The speaker will pair in your phone automatic guys. So guys now you can use your Bluetooth speaker while listening song, watching, like operating any music app guys. You can use your Bluetooth speaker guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Bye bye friends.